Hey, this is April from gettingmyacttogether.com, and I thought it would be fun to do a decluttering challenge, a month-long decluttering challenge where we have like one little job every day that takes just like 10 minutes to do. I'm going to start with only like surfaces before we dive into any drawers or cabinets or anything. I don't know if I'm moving this year. I need to be decluttered in case I am. Even if we stay in town, we may move houses. I don't know. I have zero plans. June is still a long way away, right? But even if you're not thinking that you're moving, decluttering is just a great thing to do to feel peaceful in your home and help you get control of your housekeeping or desk or whatever. Anyway, so I'm excited about trying this decluttering challenge. I thought we would do like a little 10-minute task every day. And today's is going to be the surfaces in the living room. And if I finish before the 10-minute timer is up in the living room, move on to the kitchen, because these are the two main areas. And they really kind of have to be picked up every day, even once things are taken care of. Some people have their kids so well trained that they would never just leave all their stuff in the living room. And you know, more power to some people, but I'm not some people. And I have 4 kids, and they will leave their stuff in the living room. The younger they are, the more stuff they leave. Anyway, so I'm going to work on that. And yes, I could wait for them to get home to get their stuff, but what will happen is things will be busy, and I won't remember to tell them to take their stuff. So I'm just going to get it out of here so that I can enjoy my clean living room. And we'll do it 10 minutes. So I'm going to start a timer. And I don't have a portable timer. I wish I did. Well, my Fitbit does, but I'm not that great at working it. Okay, so I'm going to start a timer for 10 minutes and just get to decluttering. So your job is to declutter the surfaces in your living room for 10 minutes. I'm still working on my 10 minutes, but I just want to say that I have this one kid who I love dearly, but he leaves all of his stuff in the living room. So I'm going to take his whole pile, and I'm not going to sit here and sort trash, not trash. Like, this is the inside of his book bag, because he has different classes on orange days and white days. So I'm giving him his own bag, and I'm just going to put everything in the bag, and I'm going to make him find a new place to empty out his book bag every day. Okay, so did you do your 10 minutes, or gonna do your 10 minutes after this video is over? Either way, I did my 10 minutes, and the first few days that I did this, I never made it past the living room. So if you don't make it past one messy room, then, you know, it's fine. Like, or if you can cover 4 rooms in the 10 minutes because your house is already so clean, hey, that's great. That's great. So right now I'm at the point where 10 minutes gets me through 2 rooms. And there's still a few things that could be decluttered in here. I bought this new food chopper. I saw this lady, this dietitian, on Instagram, and she was talking about it. And like, you can make a salad. You have no excuse not to make a salad because you just chop it right into this container. And I thought, what a great idea. Yeah, that'll make me make salads. I've owned it for a week, and I haven't done it yet. But I haven't really owned it for a week. It's been like 4 days. I'm going to. I mean business. I don't pay $20 for something and not use it. So I'm going to use it. But I don't have a place to put it yet. So it's sitting here on the counter with all of its little accoutrements because that happened. Anyway, I have good intentions. So, yeah. There's so many different methods of decluttering. You know, like you can go into a room with a put away bag, a trash, and a giveaway bag. You can go into a room and just throw everything in a bag and then sort through it when you finish. And all of those things work fine. Like, it doesn't matter. You saw when I decluttered today, I had the little bag of Daniel's things, and then that's one of my sons. And then I had, you know, I would but I would kept walking out of the room, but I wasn't walking downstairs. Anything that had to go downstairs went into a different, had I like go put away bag, because that would take up so much of the 10 minutes if I were walking downstairs. But things that were just like right in the next room and I knew exactly where to put them, that I would do, because it didn't take up much more time than flinging it in a bag. So I was pretty happy with that. And I just really don't think it matters like what decluttering method you use. The point is that you do it. And now I really do like the 27 Fling Boogie that Fly Lady uses, because it kind of makes it more fun. Just calling it 27 Fling Boogie, that's fun. And she does a thing where she'll just go around and find 27 things to throw away. That is super hard. I can't do it. I can't find 27 things to throw away. I mean, I have to go through my entire house to find 27 things that I know I could definitely throw away. You know what I mean? So I don't do that method, but I do like her 27. Like, I've used that method all week to just pick up 27 things in a room. Like, if I didn't set a timer, I would just pick 27 things and I would count them as I went. And it just makes, sometimes you have to make stupid mundane chores that everyone has to do into a game to make yourself do them. Like, you have to make it fun just to make yourself do them. And I really firmly believe in that. I do. I love I don't love timers. I like using timers. I like when you make it fun. You make it an assignment, you make it a challenge. Like, if you call it things, it just makes it more fun. It's just like with exercise and fitness, like, oh, I'm doing a plank challenge, you know, or a couch to 5K. It makes it more fun when there's some kind of gimmick present. I wish somebody could make working out fun for me, because that is something I would like to do more. I do walk every day. I'm getting way off topic. Anyway, I'm all hot and sweaty now from decluttering. There you go. There's your workout program. So I hope you'll join me for this 30-day decluttering challenge. And maybe sometime during the 30 days, I will get my hair cut. And that will be exciting. All right. Have a great day.